You believe that you have to work hard to achieve your goals? Do you believe that there's no gain with no pain? If you're struggling to align with your health and fitness goals, and you have this belief that it has to be hard work, you are actually creating stress and more difficulty aligning with your health and fitness goals. Now, the change has to occur within yourself and the way you see yourself and what you believe about this process. And so the work is in changing your self-concept, but the physical work is not hard. You don't have to over-exercise and restrict yourself in a way where you're depriving yourself of nourishing and healthy food. As a matter of fact, when you do those things, it creates more stress, it's not sustainable, and it's impossible to reach your goals. So, the best way to align with your health and fitness goals or any other goal is to make it playful, to do it with ease. But if you have a belief that there's no gain with no pain, then it's going to come up against this idea that you can be playful and you can be at ease and you can release stress and do it in a fun, free way. So, what I know to be true is that when you relax, you are activating the parasympathetic response, which actually allows you to be more at ease. When you're more at ease, you're eating food in a more stress-free way. You are not activating all of those hormones that will keep weight on your body. You're not reactive and using food to stuff down or medicate. So the more you are at ease, the more you're in playful mode, the happier you are, the more every function of your body is going to be working better. Your metabolism will work better. Your body will work better. So there's a whole science to happiness saying that when you are happy, when you are feeling playful, when you are feeling good, everything in your body is working better. So if you have a belief that it has to be hard to reach your health and fitness goals, then I'm going to help you to turn that around so that you can align with your health and fitness goals with ease, with flow, with happiness, with playfulness. We'll start by tapping on the side of our hand. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And with tapping, we often want to acknowledge exactly what's going on, how we're feeling. We acknowledge the negative or the limiting belief before we can bring some spaciousness to it and allow it to be released. Even though I have this belief that releasing excess weight and aligning with my health and fitness goals has to be hard work, I accept myself with love and compassion. Even though I've learned that there's no gain, there's no achievement without pain, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I've been stressing and doing it really hard, trying to align with my health and fitness goals, because that's what I've been taught, it's not helping because it's not working. And I still accept myself. This belief that in order to align with my heart's desires, my health and fitness goals has to be hard work, is not working for me. And yet I'm afraid to ease up. I've been so programmed to thinking that I have to do hard, that I have to push harder if something's not working, that if it's not working, press harder and do it more. And yet, up until now, it's not giving me the results I want. Up until now, It's not allowing me to align with my health and fitness goals. I wonder who taught me that. Maybe they had good intentions, but it's not helping me now. It's creating more stress and struggle and strife and backfiring. Wouldn't it be nice to align with my health and fitness goals with ease, to achieve my goals with playfulness and joy? But that old way of thinking gets in the way. Those beliefs that I have to work hard. And up until now, I've held these beliefs, and they've kept me from aligning with my health and fitness goals. Wouldn't it be nice to choose an easier, softer way to be at ease, to align with my health and fitness goals in a gentle, loving, easy way, loving and respecting my body, movement in a way of playfulness and joy, releasing all the heaviness, all the negativity, the heavy thoughts and feelings and beliefs, and allowing more freedom and joy as I align with my health and fitness goals in a playful, happy, easy way. Choosing to love, honor, and respect myself and my body. Moving in a joyful, easy way. Nourishing myself and my body with happiness and freedom. Releasing all the heaviness, all the heavy thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and patterns that are in the way of me aligning with ease and flow into a greater level of health and well-being. I'm worthy and deserving of health and well-being. And I trust my body and all of my natural instincts to guide me into greater health and well-being. I'm at peace with myself and my body, and I'm learning to release stress, to allow myself health, happiness, and well-being with ease and flow. Wouldn't it be nice to trust my body and all of my natural instincts to guide me towards greater levels of health and well-being? To love, honor, and respect my body, and to know that I am worthy and deserving of reaching my goals with ease and flow. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am shifting my beliefs so that I can reach my health and fitness goals with ease and flow, experiencing greater health, happiness, and well-being. I'm so grateful and happy now that I am releasing all the heaviness in my life and allowing myself to be lighter and more aligned with my greatest health and well-being. And bringing your hands to your heart and take a deep breath in and let it go. Now, as we're tapping, maybe some of your limiting beliefs around this have come up. You want to acknowledge them. Maybe even writing them down will be helpful for you to acknowledge what the beliefs are that you have that are holding you back from reaching your ideal health and wellness goals with ease. It will happen more readily and more easily when you do it with ease. You are absolutely worthy and deserving of releasing the stress, releasing the strife, learning how to trust your body and all of its natural instincts to align with your highest level of health, happiness, and well-being. So, writing down the limiting beliefs and then turning them around, turning them into beliefs that are more supportive and positive. As you apply tapping, it'll help you to get more into the subconscious mind where those limiting beliefs are held, and you can bring them to the surface. And as you bring them to the surface, then you can shift them and change them. Remember, your health and your happiness and well-being matter. As always, take good care of yourself. Bye now.